Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. First off, I want to say welcome and hello to all my new subscribers. I really appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for subscribing. I hope you enjoy my content. Now in today's video, I'm actually doing a short review and just swatches of this Modelones Polygel nail kit. I got this kit on Amazon. I believe it was about $29.99, something like that. I'll have the exact price and I'll put that with the link to it in the description below. But here you see it comes with the instructions, a little instruction pamphlet, tells you how to use the product and everything. It had that little help card at first with some information on that. It also comes with these dual forms, and it has 12 different sizes in there, and this is those curved ones. And to tell you the truth, I really don't like using dual forms. I think I've used them like once before in my life, and I used it with acrylic, so I'm definitely gonna have to give it another try. But I've never used it, so I'm definitely gonna try to do that again. But this kit comes with 6 different colors, and that last one, it is a temperature change color that you'll see in a little bit, but I'm just showing you each individual color. That's the pure white. Sorry for the camera, it didn't want to focus on them. That one is soft pink, and then this is light pink, and then this one is light apricot, I believe that was, and nude. And then here is that temperature color change polygel, which I've never seen before. I thought that was pretty cool. So you'll see me swatch all these here in a minute. But it also comes with a top coat and a base coat, and y'all, I could not get that top coat out on camera. I tried, but I just couldn't get it out, so I had to wait. But it also comes with this slip solution, a file, 100-180 file, and the polygel brush that has the spatula and everything on the other end. You'll see me open it here in a second and show you. There's the spatula, there's the brush, just like same as all the other polygel brushes. And it also comes with this blue glitter that I could not get out of there either, so I didn't want to break a nail trying, so I didn't even do that. But yeah, so here I go now. I'm just gonna open up this slip solution and just pour some in the cap. And it's not a squeeze bottle, so it was I couldn't squeeze the bottle, so you have to like shake it into the cap for it to come out, which is what you see me doing here. So I'm just trying to get some out of the bottle. There you go. And now I'm gonna go ahead and open up each color and swatch it with my brush on my little swatch wheel, I guess you call that thing. I was gonna use my trainer hand, but my flexi hand, I'm sorry, but that it was 6 colors, and of course the hand only has 5 nails, so I was like, okay, well, I'll just use this swatch stick. So you'll see me here use the first color, this white, and this white is an actual white. Like if you look right across there, that color that I had from EC Basket, it actually says bright white, but it's really not a bright white. It's more like a milky white compared to this white. This white is like a real true bright white, which I thought was cool. This polygel is really good. It almost feels like fluffy underneath the brush. It's real soft, real easy to move around. I didn't have any issues with it. So it worked out really good. I think it was even better than that EC Basket polygel. I have a review video on that one. I'll link it in the cards above, so you guys can check that one out. But yeah, so the easiest way for me, just squeeze it on the nail and then just use the brush. So that's what I do with all the colors. I'm just gonna squeeze it on and then pat it down with the brush. The only thing too with this slip solution, I wasn't sure if I really liked the slip solution. It kept leaving, like, I don't know if I was just using too much of it, but it was leaving like these, I don't know, almost like, it almost looked like oil. I don't know how to explain it. It was like weird bubbles, or it just looked weird. It almost looked like oil reacting with water or something. It looked strange. I've never seen that using alcohol before, so I probably won't use this slip solution going forward, I'll probably stick to alcohol. But oh, and just a tip, don't use any alcohol that's less than 70%, because I tried it my first time with like 50% alcohol, and that did not work. That was like I was using water. It was real sticky. It was horrible. So just a quick tip, use 70% alcohol or above if you're gonna use alcohol. But anyways, here I'm just continuing to swatch the colors. This one is the light pink. And yeah, like I said, I'll put the link to this kit down below. I really like this. I think I like this polygel better than that other one. I have some more polygel to try, but I think I really like this one. I've only used a couple other ones. I think I used the one from Exclusive Nail Couture. I used his at first. It was okay. It wasn't bad. But this one here is just really soft. I mean, it's real soft, real easy to move around. And I think it's pretty cool. It would be really good for like beginners, like first using this. It's nice and soft. It doesn't, you know, get too sticky once you have enough slip solution. But like I said, I still think I prefer the alcohol, but I think the alcohol is better. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through and swatch all the colors, and then I'll be back in just a minute. Okay, so I've just finished swatching that last color, which is the color change one, and notice how pink that color is. And here it is now after it's come out of the lamp. I'm just gonna wipe them down with a alcohol wipe, and that color is like a milky white color now. I guess the heat turned it that color, so you know it does color change. And I don't know what it takes. I guess maybe I need to try to put it under like cold water to get it to turn back. But I literally have it sitting on my desk, like in front of a fan, and it's still that milky white color. I know it's a good like hour later, and it's still that milky white color. So I'm guessing that it just takes like really cold to change it back. I'm gonna try it again. I'll let you guys know. But here I'm just using their top coat, and I'm putting on the top coat, and then I'm gonna cure again for 60 seconds. I did cure the polygel for 60 seconds in my lamp, and then I wiped it with the alcohol wipe, of course. And here I'm just putting the top coat, and I'm gonna cure it for another 60 seconds once I've got that on. And then you see how white that is, and it just stays that color. So yeah, I don't know, but like I said, I'm gonna have to try it, and I'll let you guys know what happens with it. But yeah, here's the colors, all swatched, and I really like them. I like that soft pink, and I like the nude. I think those two are my favorite. I like the color of that color changing one before it changed, like that pink color. It was really nice. But anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me on social media, on Facebook at Melloz Nailz and Instagram at Melloz_nails. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you, and see you next time. Bye.